Page 27, Goldfish. Here we're still using our tie, a symbol for the tie is what we had before. You look at the end of each of these lines, you see the whole notes. And they printed it kind of squished together, so you have to look carefully, but there is a little curved line connecting the whole notes together. And again, it doesn't matter if the curved line is below the notes or above the notes. The point is it's there, and that's what counts. So you're going to hold those notes down for 8 counts, because a whole note gets 4 counts in 4/4 time, and there's 2 of them. You can do the math. So I'm going to go through the routine for learning a new piece of music, and let's see what we got here. It's 2 lines long, treble and bass clef, 4/4 time signature, so there's 4 counts in a measure, and we're still counting quarter notes. I see quarter notes and whole notes here. Now the hands are playing one hand at a time, so I'm going to take both hands at the same time here. You see, if the hands were playing together, I'd do it one hand at a time. So the right hand starts with thumb on middle C here. And the left hand, when it comes in, is thumb on middle C here. So we're still in middle C position. And first I just want to get the notes. Here. And I'm going to hold that down for 8 counts. And then in the second line, you get the idea? You do it. You put them together. And then go back through and take out any hesitations. And also on these pieces, I don't say it all the time, but you should be playing these pieces without looking at the keyboard eventually. You want to develop a feel for the keyboard. It's important. So don't have your eyes glued on the keyboard. There have been people when they start, they'll look at the music and they'll see the first note, then they'll look down at the keyboard and they'll play it, and then look back at the music and see the next note, and they'll look down at the keyboard and they'll play it. Keep your eyes on the keyboard and know where your hand is, so you can play those without looking at them. Now once you can play through this with no hesitations or anything, then we can think about the interpretation. And again, when I interpret a piece, the first thing I look at would be the natural accents. In 4/4 time, it's every other beat. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the 1 is a little stronger than the 3. You always want to feel where the first beat of a measure is. No matter what other natural accents are in the measure, that first one is the 1, 2, 3, 4. Exaggerate them if you have to. 1, 2, 3. Feel them though. You might have to force them at first to feel them, but eventually you just want to feel them. They have to be natural. And then I can think about the phrasing. Well, look at the words and see if they can help you. I'm looking for commas or periods or something, or what sounds like a musical thought. So if I play this a little quicker, it's easier for me to hear the thoughts. That's one thought to me. It's just one musical, it's like a sentence. And the second line, that's another sentence, the same sentence actually. So I guess each line is a musical thought. Therefore, I'm going to connect the whole line together, but I'm going to lift up at the end of the first line here before I go on. I have to lift up anyway, it's the same note, because you got to lift up. But it's going to be a little more. It's going to be a little longer silence. So here, it's like taking a breath. And in fact, it's not a bad idea to go ahead and breathe on those. It helps you to feel them. You can breathe there. So I'm going to put in the phrasing. Lift up. Just a sentence, okay. You don't have to go that fast. I'm trying to shorten the video a little bit. So now the question is, why in the first line do we play the whole note middle C's with the right hand, and in the second line we play them with the left hand? What gives? Why can't we play them all with the same hand? And the answer is we can. It's just how this author or this composer has chosen to do this, that she's decided to let you play the middle C with each hand. And that's why. There's no rule that says it's got to be this way or that way, is what I'm getting at. Now once I have all that figured out, I should pretty much know the piece. So let's try this together slowly and double check the notes and the rhythms. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, tie, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, tie, 2, 3, 4, off. There is a teacher's part for this also. I'd like to play that. You play what you just played. I'm going to speed it up just a hair, just a little bit. And the teacher's part, again, I got whole notes stuck in there, and I need to keep a beat, so I'm going to play quarter notes. I'll make something up. But I've got to play something on each beat so we can stay together. See, if we were in the same room together, we could work it so we could stay together. I don't have to do that. But I can't hear you, I can't stay with you, so I'm going to keep playing on the beat. I'll give us, did I say I'll give us 4 counts? I can't remember. Anyway, I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go.